So you have your sample of Serenity. Here is how to use it. You're going to put a few drops in your hand, like this, so 2 or 3 drops in the palm of your hand, then rub your hands together and take some deep breaths in. This is particularly effective just before bedtime or 20 minutes before you're going to bed, as a lovely way to just relax and calm, relieve any sort of stress, and just calm the mind by using your Serenity. It does exactly what it says on the tin, allows you to just put those stresses away. You can also apply this to your chest, so you can continue to smell it and inhale it as you go to sleep. Pop it on the soles of your feet or in a diffuser, and this will continue to support you to get your really restful, deep sleep and really just get that restorative sleep that you need. So fantastic Serenity, enjoy.